Hello and welcome back. During the opening staff meeting, I know Chris briefly mentioned about adding an email signature. I believe we also got an email from Hank Hartman talking about how it would like your email signature to include your name, position, and the name of the building. So in order to do that, you will go into your Gmail account, and over here you'll see Settings. We'll drop that down, and we're going to go to the Settings. Within the settings, when you scroll down, you will see your signature. So you can put your name, your title, your school district that you work for, or for you guys it would be grade level and building. And then if you wanted to add additional things like maybe you have a Twitter handle or a slogan or this year's vision statement from Mr. Porter. You then, once you have it in there, you can, adjust it. You can put it in italicized, bold lettering, change the color, whatever you want to do to brighten up your signature. And then once you've done that, make sure you come down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Then when you go to compose an email, you'll see at the bottom, you no longer need to sign anything. It just goes with every email that you go to send. I hope that helps.